Bank of Montreal posted a surprise drop in fiscal second quarter profit as it set aside a larger provision for loan losses and trading revenue fell. The bank's provision for credit losses of $2.02 billion included an initial $517 million. The performing loan portfolio of Bank of the West. The bank said the statement in a statement Wednesday. It's the first time Bank of Montreal has reported results that include the San Francisco-based lender, which it bought from BNP Paribas SA for 16.3 cents. And my Penitentiary residents, excluding some items, profit was C2.93 cents a share, missing the C321 average estimate of analysts in a Bloomberg survey. Overall, we have a negative view on Q2 23 results, as adjusted EPS was below our forecast and consensus on high expenses, though capital seems solid. RBC Capital Markets analyst Darko Mihalik said in the Bank of the West deal, which closed on February 1, expanded the bank's U.S. footprint to 32 states and makes its U.S. personal and commercial banking division with the $2.06 billion for the revenue during the quarter, slightly larger than its Canadian one. Bank of Montreal's capital markets division and see the $15 billion in revenue in line with analyst projections. Global markets revenue was down 15% from the first quarter. Trading revenue declined, but across all categories but investment and corporate banking rose. The quarter, which ended April 30th, was another volatile one for markets, marked by the failure of several U.S. regional banks, starting with Silicon Valley Bank in early March. And shares tumbled and bonds whipsawed, with the yield on Canada 10-year debt falling nearly 70 basis points in less than 2 weeks that month. The bank raised its quarterly dividend by 2.8% to $1.47 per share. Shares of Bank of Montreal have fallen 4.3% this year in Toronto, compared with a 1.6% decline for the S&P TSX Commercial Banks Index. Among Canada's 6 largest banks, only Toronto Dominion Bank, which also has high exposure to U.S. regional markets, has performed worse year to date.